Good day to you again, YouTube. Welcome back to Tweak of the Day number 25, I believe. Today we have a tweak called Chameleon, which is something that I've done from an open source tweak called Calypso. The developers haven't done anything different apart from these ones here, and I will be adding my own. So I've got Twitter and also someone that I'm going to get help from. As you saw, I believe previously, I'm helping with a tweak called Metamorph. If you get this one, it is almost exactly like Springtomize, and it is pretty good. I have been helping him, and I'll post his Twitter below too, as well as contact details and website. He does want more help as well, so we've got testers and some translators. I have helped develop some of these and also create some additions to it, so I've done some other things to help him, which I believe I've helped quite a bit, but sometimes it is a bit difficult with the communication because of being with LinkedIn. It is a slow time to relate to the actual conversation, but enough of Metamorph, so I will post the links below to that as well. But we have Chameleon, which is an open source tweak that I've been developing or helping to develop from the source code, which I've changed the name from Calypso to Chameleon. I just believe that Chameleon is a good name because it helps change the system. So we've got an enabled button. This is all the original from Calypso, as well as a Twitter button up the top, so you can see that it shows Twitter accounts and what it does. But there is some things such as animations and icons, folders, lock screen, spotlight, assistant, so no voice control, rotation, page settings, and Twitter ones. So if you go onto my Twitter and just see that it does work, in fact, you can see that I have uploaded it to my repo as well as breadcrumb 10. But so you can see also his Twitter. I won't go into that because I'm not sure if he will allow me to. I haven't asked for his permission yet. But there is a respring button and also a few other little features here and there. So I got Chameleon from them changing colors of themselves, which is where the name came from. But I will be adding my own to this in another section for updated options. I will be getting the headers for iOS 10 as well to see if I can make it for that when a jailbreak and if a jailbreak comes out. I'm not sure if all of these work, so we've got Chameleon page settings, as you can see here, no page dots, and as you can see down the bottom there is no page dots. I don't have any other tweak enabled, I believe. Springtomize is enabled, but if you go into icons and you see down here there is no page dots and also pages. So you see the hide page dots is not enabled. And there's also see block tweets. I'm not sure what some of these do, but page dots does work. Force enable home screen rotation. So if you've possibly got it unlocked or locked, it will allow you to force it anyway. Dock rotation and some of these other things are here. So disabling them will disable what it is. Disabling voice control, so if you want to control music from the voice control, you can disable that and just have Siri, as well as spotlight search from just the home screen, so you can disable that and enable that to your preference. I believe it's not working here, but it is working on the left partially. So swipe down isn't working, but swiping left does work, as well as lock screen blurs and lock screen tints. So if you've got the backgrounds, it isn't blurry. I'm not sure how that works. There is nested folders as well as pinch to close. So going into a folder here, you can see all my tweaks, and pinch to close does not work, or it may work. So I'm not sure if it does work or not, I can't really tell, but I can update that later on. Newsstand folders as well. So we've got no beta dot, so when you update or when you get a new app, it will show the little blue dot next to it to show that it is new or it has been updated. That is gone now. Remove icons or icon labels, so you can see there is no labels at all. Faster animations for just overall going into things, as well as old control center, the old bounce, which I don't believe is working at the moment. But that is pretty much it for Chameleon. It is on my repo, which I will post below, and I will also post the link below to the Calypso, which is the original version of this, and possibly the source code too. I'll also post a link to Metamorph if you do want this. It is quite good, and it has been updated to 2.3, I believe. And if you do want, there is contact details to him inside of this, as well as in his little description for it. But Chameleon is just the same as Springtomize, a little bit different. I will add options later on and update it whenever I can. But that is pretty much it for Chameleon. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and if you did, please hit that like button, and if you didn't, you can hit the dislike button and just show me that you didn't like this particular video or just some of the videos in general, as well as subscribe for notifications. I do release videos every single day, or at least as much as I can every single day, and comment below for questions and suggestions for later videos, as well as just any video that I have posted. I will answer every single one as fast as I can. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video.